Send this to someone you love. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm outside your window. Waiting for you.
Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Not my problem, that's just not my problem.
Amazing stars. Amazing stars. Amazing stars. Amazing stars.
Is a sound that people should know means immediate danger. 1. Sound of water getting louder coming your way if you're near a stream or river.
Not my problem.
In your eye, you wish you could hide it, but there's all the skies in it. Cry.
Not my problem, that's just not my. Ever get a little bit tired of life? Not my problem, that's just not my problem. Oh, you're the master of illusion. Not my problem, that's just not.
Amazing stars.
Who is Jared?
My boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend.
I did have my boyfriend.
You don't have a boyfriend.